General method of preparation. Very first, alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane gives alcohol. Second, by hydration of alkene. With the help of next example, we discuss hydration of alkene again. At first, here heterolytic cleavage takes place. In heterolytic cleavage, one atom attract shared electrons or gain shared electrons, so it becomes negatively charged, and the other species become positively charged. Ethene disassociate and gives this intermediate structure. In number 2, sulfuric acid disassociated and gives H positive and HSO4 negative. This will combine here, this will go here, so we obtain CH3, CH2, HSO4, which is on subjected to hydrolysis gives CH3, CH2, OH plus H2SO4. Now, third one is from primary amine. The general formula of primary amine is RNH2. RNH2, primary amine. Here we write formula primary amine. These primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, nitrous, HNO2. We write HNO2 like this. Oh, no. Plus O double bond N single bond O single bond H. On HO, here we obtain water molecules, nitrogen gas is liberated, and we obtain alcohol ROH plus N2 plus H2. Example, here we take ethylamine. These ethylamine reacts with nitrous acid and forms CH3 CH2 OH plus N2 plus H2. This is called preparation of alcohol from primary amine. Next, from Grignard reagent. RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. With the help of this method, we can prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. With the help of this method, we can prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent reacts with different carbonyl compounds and gives different types of alcohol. If we want to prepare primary alcohol, then it reacts with formaldehyde. So, first reaction with formaldehyde. Reaction with formaldehyde. Here we write formaldehyde, Grignard reagent, RMgX. Then carbonyl group is polar in nature. Oxygen is more electronegative, that's why it attracts the shared pair of electrons toward itself. So, it becomes slightly negatively charged and this carbon becomes positively charged. The structure becomes like this. RMgX, alkyl magnesium bromide, halide, is also polar in nature. MgX possesses one positive charge and here R is negative. These negatively charged alkyl group goes towards positively charged carbon atom, while this MgX goes with, oh my God, OMgX, oh my God. Formation of intermediate compound takes place. This is subjected for hydrolysis. Here we obtain MgXOH and RCH2OH. Primary alcohol. If we want to prepare secondary alcohol, then we take acetaldehyde. CH3CHO plus RMgX Mg becomes positive charge, R negative charge, slightly negative, slightly positive. The structure becomes like this: CH3CH single bond O. With this O, MgX is attached, and from this carbon, this R is attached. It is subjected for hydrolysis. Here we obtain MgXOH and R CH3H and OH, means like this, R C CH3 HOH, secondary alcohol. If we want to prepare tertiary alcohol, then we take acetone. Acetone reacts with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr methyl magnesium bromide. Then formation of intermediate compound takes place. These intermediate compound on hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. We discuss GMP of alcohol. First, by alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane. Second, by hydration of alkene. Third, from primary amine. Fourth, from Grignard reagent. In Grignard reagent, there are three parts: preparation of primary alcohol, preparation of secondary alcohol, and preparation of tertiary alcohol as well. Now, number fifth, we discuss number fifth by reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound means the organic compound which contains carbonyl group. C double bond O group is known as carbonyl group. Generally, aldehydes and ketones are considered as carbonyl compounds. Here we take acetone, CH3 COCH3 plus reduction The reduction is done by either nickel or lithium aluminum hydride LiLH4, sodium borohydride NaBH4. Here formation of secondary alcohol takes place. Number F, from carbohydrate carbohydrates like glucose subjected for fermentation gives ethyl alcohol. Here invertase and gymase enzymes works. This is all about general method of preparation of alcohol.